Hey everybody, Subterfuge here with box break number 434. Rocking out some limited for you guys. So, I hope you check out 643boxbreaks.com. I got some enforcers up right now. We break auction style breaks every night with fun and zany bonuses, and then we do buy it now style breaks right after that. And we do it all live. Unlike this. So here is our eBay bidders. Some of you guys are 643 customers. This is not your full eBay names. I'm just doing partial names. And there we go. Good luck, guys. Here's our box. Serial number ending in 200. As posted, factory sealed box of Panini Limited. Eventually, there we go. I always wear gloves because, well, they're your cards, so I'm going to treat them with respect by not getting fingerprints all over them. So, there's our Frisbee. The pack looks beaten up a little. Three mem cards. First card going to Matt and the Rangers. I know it's Matt because he's a 643 customer. It's... Oh, hold on a second. That's my phone reminding me that The Walking Dead is on now. So, first card to the New York Rangers. And Matt Ryan Callahan out of 299. Second card going to Buffalo. Brad Boy's base card out of 299. We have a banner season silver. The Tampa Bay Lightning and Martin St. Louis. That's numbered out of 299 as well. We have a banner season jersey for the Vancouver Canucks of Daniel Sedin. And that's out of 99. 75 of 99. We have a... Oh, cool. Base jersey out of 99. Oh, it's got a scratch across the middle here. Or something, a mark on it. Daniel Alfredson going to Ottawa. I don't know if you can see it on the video. Number 50 of 99. The last card here is a team trademark for the Toronto Maple Leafs of Luke Shen. Also out of 299. A pretty weak box so far, but this last card will help us out. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Phenom's autograph of Cooter. Sean Couturier. And that is out of 299. So, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed the break. Please check out my Enforcers bin live now. Have a great night. And happy Thanksgiving, you Canadians.